Dear friends, today we are going to be talking about the basics of rope jumps. It is one of the best aerobic workouts as it helps you tone up the entire body. You can use rope jumps as warm-ups, as most boxers do, or use it in your main workout plan. Whatever you're going to do, you are going to be reaping the benefits for sure. Compared to other aerobic exercise, this takes very little space and only a rope as equipment. In just 15 minutes of continuous rope jump, you can feel how much it engages your calf, forearms, biceps, triceps, shoulders, your core, almost all parts of your body. It is also a wonderful way to channelize your breathing, and it is not easy to continuously do it for 15 minutes. If you are new at skipping, make sure you master the basics before you try out any of the fancy tricks. And even if you decide not to do or are unable to do the advanced tricks, it is alright, as you burn almost similar calories doing the basic skipping as any advanced techniques in limited set time. As rope is the only equipment needed, it is important that you choose the right one for yourself. As a general rule, you start with a heavier rope as to feel the weight of the rope, which is very important initially, and later on for fancier tricks, you might choose to get light ropes or cables. But most people choose to stay with the same rope as they last forever. The most important thing is the size of the rope. Though most ropes that you buy are adjustable, it is important to get the right size for you, or you might end up disappointed. The best way to judge is to stand in the middle of the rope, and both ends should reach till the armpits, not including the handles. And even if you are buying a rope online, it is safe to just add 3 feet to your height. Say if you are a 6 feet tall person, a 9 feet long rope will be good for you. Visualization plays a very important role in most sports. If you have never done rope jumps before, we will suggest before you try anything else, you visualize yourself jumping rope. Visualize yourself doing it in perfect technique. Visualization without ropes. When it comes to the rope jump, try to put as little effort as you can on each jump. Meaning, jump just enough to pass the rope under your feet. Keep your knees subtle and jump on your toe balls. Do that for a few times. Forget about the upper body and the arms. Just visualize that you are jumping over the rope with least effort. Then involve the arms. Spread out your shoulder wings and stabilize them. Try not to move shoulder till the elbows. Your rhythm should be dictated by the coordination of your wrist and your jump. Keep your hands a bit in front of your waist. And now keep doing it for a few minutes without the rope. This itself is a wonderful workout. Continue to visualize the rope and the weight of the rope in your hands. Keep repeating. Only once you are confident that you are jumping in rhythm, then start using the ropes. But remember to stick to the basics and do not swing your arms too much. That will slow down the rope and will make it difficult to keep the rhythm. At any time, if you find you are struggling to keep the rhythm, try it without ropes. If you stick to it, you should be able to start jumping with a good form within a week. Good luck!